Restoring a domestic old motorcycle from the 1980s. A fan friend sent me an old motorcycle. When I looked at it, it was a domestic Xingfu brand motorcycle. He said if I liked it he would give it to me. I felt this bike was very meaningful, because this is a purely domestic motorcycle. I spent 500 yuan on shipping to bring it home. When the bike arrived home and I took a look, compared with the photos, it felt so much more beat up. I must have dug a hole for myself. A huge hole. Let us remove the guard plate and try kicking the engine over. If it can be kicked over, then it means the engine is fine. Congratulations to myself. The engine cannot be kicked over. I really hit the jackpot. Nothing more to say. Push it into the workshop and get to work on it. The engine is probably seized solid. The rear wheel would not turn. I had to bring out my trusty little helper. I could not wait another moment and hurried to tear it down. Look at this fuel tank. Oh my goodness. These screws are completely rusted solid. A regular wrench will not do. Wow, my goodness. Look at how horribly these screws have rusted. Spray some penetrating oil on them, then use my secret technique, using a hammer and an impact screwdriver to knock them loose. There it goes, it is loose, haha. This skill takes at least 10 years or so to learn, because if you are not careful you will smash your hand. This fuel tank is done for. A Smile 1910. Destroy my mom. Engine, you can come down now. Let us fix the engine first. Open it up and take a look inside. It is pitch black. The cylinder and piston are both seized solid. Then look how filthy it is inside. Let us speed up and strip it down. Heartless love for you. Men and women rush toward me. Wow. This is a killer trick, take a look. It is completely stuck. This kick lever is totally seized. Amazing. Haha, luckily this kick lever can be bought. Cut it off and replace it with a new one. These screws are all rusted solid. I can only use an impact screwdriver to loosen them little by little. If I use a bit too much force they will easily snap. Actually, buying a Xingfu motorcycle like this now, you can still find decent ones, so why fix this one? I just want to challenge myself, because I have never rebuilt a motorcycle before. I want to see if I can restore it properly. That makes the process even more satisfying. I spent 150 yuan on a Xingfu 250 engine crankshaft removal tool. This tool is really rare. 150 yuan is really worth it. When you restore old vehicles, having no special tools and spare parts is the most headache-inducing thing, because without them, you really cannot get things apart. It is really lucky for me overhauling this Xingfu TY250. I spent 350 yuan with an old master to buy some parts. I did not even know exactly what they were. I hope the god of luck will smile on me, and that I can find the parts I need. Look, these are the treasures I bought back for 350 yuan. Let us see what can be used. This is a brand new kick lever, a starter shaft. This is the gear shift mechanism for the gearbox. This one is old, but it should still be usable. I picked up another delivery. I bought another little treasure. Let us see what it is. This is a crankshaft oil seal for a motorcycle engine. With this I can get the engine running. Let us do it. These are all the parts of the Xingfu 250 engine. Let us see if we can assemble it in one afternoon and get it firing up again. Let us do our best. I have never rebuilt a motorcycle before. This really is my first attempt. I have also never torn down this engine before. I can only try to put it back together exactly the way I took it apart. I really hope that after the engine is assembled, there will not be any extra parts left over. A passerby walks past. I feel like I have been pumped full of chicken blood. My whole body is full of energy. I am really in the zone. Once this engine is assembled, it is definitely going to start. The moment of witnessing a miracle is almost here. Let us see if we can get it to fire up in one go. I made a simple little stand. The fuel and ignition coil are all installed. Let us try and see if we can get it started. It started. Hey. There is no idle. Let us adjust the carburetor. Then try again and see if it starts. Now it is good. See, it catches in one kick. After the engine was running properly and fixed, we continued stripping the bodywork of this old motorcycle and removed all the body panels. Whatever could be repaired, we repaired. Every detail was serviced thoroughly. Actually, there are many Xingfu TY250s in good condition, although this one is really in terrible shape. I am very grateful for this fan support. I will definitely restore it properly. Here I want to confess my feelings to myself. I want to hear you sing a song. Listen to me talk about happiness. I took the frame for sandblasting and blasted off all the old rust. Look, the result is really good. The money was definitely well spent, haha. I ordered a new front fender online, a front mudguard. A kind fan contacted me and sent it to me. He really hopes I can get this Yamaha TY250 done quickly. Restored soon. I am very grateful to this fan. I will definitely speed up and get it restored. As for the paint color, I mixed it to be very bright. Since the new year is almost here, I really like this festive bright red feeling. Please forgive me, I really do not know how to spray paint. This is my first attempt. Personally, I feel it is still acceptable. I think these rims were not expensive. 70 yuan each, but I have to lace them myself spoke by spoke. And there we go, it is done. Look at the result. How is it the moment they were installed? I felt the 70 yuan were really well spent. With new rims, the bike does not look bad at all. I also put on 2 new tires. The tires are now mounted. Let us speed up and get this bike assembled. A love for I feel them for. Why do you not let me stop? Drowning in this trance. To find that last and only pair. Answer. Red high heels.